In this video, we will learn about how we can create calculated table and calculated columns. So if I right click tables, and here you can see I am not able to see any option to create calculate table or the calculated column like this, right? So for this, we have to click tools and preferences. And here you can see under Power BI, there is one option allow unsupported modeling operations, not recommended. So we need to check this option, click OK. And now if I right click tables, so here you can see I'm able to see the calculated table option is there. And in the same way, if I right click any column here, so here you can see the calculated column is also there. So let's try to create one simple table. We just need to right click and calculate table. The name is like red products, this one. And if I take this one, the products table and preview data, so here we have option colors. Okay, so we need to double click the red products. So here you can see this is the expression editor. So we need to write expression here, filter, that will return a table, and we will pass products. The color is equal to red, this one. That's all. And if we go to the Power BI desktop, so here you can see we don't have any table, the name red products. So we need to press Ctrl S. So now the changes have been committed. So if you go to the Power BI desktop, so here you can see, so we have one table red products. So if you go to the table and click red products, so we need to refresh. And here you can see all the colors are red. So this is the way how we can create calculated table. So let's try to create one column. For example, go to the products, and then we need to create calculated column. And the name is total sales. For this, we will write one function, count rows, and here we need to pass one related table. So we need to use one function related table, and the name of the table will be sales. That's all. So we just need to click Ctrl S. Otherwise, you can also click one option here, save changes back to the currently connected database. So if I click this one, and now let's go back to the Power BI desktop, refresh now, and under products, we have one column. These are the total sales for each product, right? So in this way, we can create calculated column and calculated tables. So if we want to delete these tables and columns, we just need to right click like red products, that's the name of the table, and delete this one. We need to press Ctrl S, click OK, and then go back to the Power BI desktop. So here you can see we don't have any table, the name red sales, red products. So in the same way, if we go to the product table, so here you can see we have total sales. So we need to delete this column, go to the product table and total sale, this one, right click and choose delete. For this synchronization, we need to press Ctrl S and go back to the Power BI desktop, and here you can see we don't have total sales. So in this video, we have seen how we can create calculated table and calculated column and how we can delete them. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.